Ate's birthday. You say happy birthday to Ate? Oh, no. Tell Ate, happy birthday to you.
No!
I will off the TV. You say, Ate, happy birthday.
Ate, happy birthday!
Oh, here, hug Ate. Hug Ate. Ate, happy birthday. Oh, you're so sweet. Very good, Doy Doy. Si Muning sa bed, ganyan. Muning, why you fall down? You go back to bed. Doy, Muning is falling in the floor.
I don't know the toilet is so clogged.
Huh?
I don't know the toilet.
Ashley Capacity, happy birthday, Ashley Capacity. Happy birthday, Jerry Bea, Ashley Capa.
City.
Happy birthday, Nak.
Thank you.
You are now 13 years old. Is what? And what is your 13 wishes as you go through these teen ages? 13 na. You give me 13 wish. Or 13 wants. Okay, let's start. 1.
Money.
Money! Mukhang pera ka rin. Huwag ka mag-move. Kaya nag-video ako dyan ka. Okay, number 2.
Gifts.
What kind of gift? Be specific.
Laptop.
But that laptop, I said to you, I will give it free for when you're 18 years old.
Mommy.
Okay.
I'm working so hard for that.
Oh, that's true. Next, number 3. 13 wishes or 13 wants.
New haircut.
Huh?
New haircut.
New haircut. Okay, we will do that today. Next, 4. What do you want to do today? We can put in the 13. This is so exciting. We can do it all in this day.
Maybe on Saturday, good. Remember that I said I was planning something. What about then Saturday we go to the Alfonso?
Yes, okay. Number 4, Alfonso. Next, number 5. Don't be so hard on Mom. Okay, 5 na guys. Hintayin natin siya guys. All I want for my birthday is...
Colors.
Colors. You still love colors?
Yeah.
Or painting sets? Okay, 5 is colors or anything. Painting or colors, whatever. Next, number 6.
Parang stickers.
What kind of stickers is that?
Daddy's World.
Okay, you can buy it here in the mall.
I don't know if it's there.
Okay, 16 Dandy's World sticker. Next, number 7. OMG, Mommy is so nervous because there's still 7.
Sketchbook.
Sketchbook, very good. Number 8.
Parang yeah, like my wish is good. That I have free time to do on the phone so that I can make the art for my teachers.
Oh, okay. So, what time? Is it 1 hour?
Para sa Sunday.
Okay. How many? 1 hour?
I don't know. Like, I have
Okay, I will give you time for that art for the teacher. Next, number 9. Do you want something for yourself? To buy for your own daily use as a teenager? In your skincare, ano yung kulang sa skincare mo?
night gel.
Night what?
Night gel.
That is a night gel. It's a night
Cream.
repair
Gel.
gel. Yeah, grabe si Ashley may skincare. Next, number 10. Don't be so hard on me. That is a 13 wants or wish. Tugudug, tugudug, tugudug.
There.
Today, what you will buy for yourself? For your things in the body, or a clothes, or a panty, or a bra.
Para ano na yan? Para I don't actually wishes. I'm literally tired right now.
Okay. So, you still have 10, 11, 12, 13. You still have 4. So, you think of it, okay? But it's only today. It's a challenge. 13 wishes for today. So, I will give you time today to decide what is for, right? Okay, can you show me your skincare first? So that your fans will see what is your skincare and what are their uses. Okay, first is
Moisturizer.
Moisturizer. Ayan guys, what do you do for the moisturizer? Here ka dyan si tita.
To soften my skin.
Okay, to soften my skin. Okay, next. The next one is
Sunblock.
Sunblocks to
Prevent.
show them the logo.
Prevent the sunburn or something.
Yeah, to protect you from the sunburn and for the sun's
Sun's tan. No.
disadvantage to the skin.
This one.
Yeah, next.
That's it.
Huh? You have 2 only? How about your lotion? You didn't show us.
Lotion? That counts?
Okay, show them your lotion. Okay, your lotion is?
Nivea.
Nivea skincare?
Nivea.
Wow. Is that yours? Extra bright 10 super vitamins and skin food serum in lotion. Wow. Your lotion have a serum. It makes you more, radiant and healthy looking. Okay, next. What else? Can you show me more? Ayan, dito yung mga ni Ashley, guys. Ayan, may napkin siya. What else? This one. Oh, there's no more now. You can throw it. This one is for the...
I never used that.
Oh, you never used this. Okay. Akin pala yun. This one is for her nose kasi may allergic rhinitis si Ashley. Pero today wala. So this is... Oh, you forgot. What is this? That is very important.
There's more in there.
Okay, what is that? We show them. This is the...
This is the Mandarams user thing.
show the name. Okay. Where did you buy that? At my doctor's...
At my doctor's...
clinic.
Clinic. Kakaka Beauty Box.
Is it, Is it good? What its uses to your underarm?
Does it make it smelly?
Yes. Why are you questioning me? You tell them it doesn't make it any smell though.
Yeah, it doesn't make any smell.
So, look. Antiperspirant with licorice. So, that is the one, your skin doctor recommend to your age, right? Okay, what else? Yung pabango mo, perfume.
I don't have perfume. I mean,
perfume.
I don't use it though.
The one your Tita Bibi gave you.
Tita Bibi?
Or the one you win in the prizes in the games. You still have that?
Para sa box yun.
Okay. The vitamins, show them your vitamins. There, the capsule.
Vitamins?
Ayan
This is, I found it.
Yeah, it's a vitamin. Show them. Read it.
Yeah,
It's at the likod. There, you read. It's
Colvit.
What is that?
Colvit S.
There, mol. You read in the top. This one.
Buclizin hydrochloride.
Vitamin B pala. Ayan, ito yung medicine ni Ashley, guys.
I don't even use
Ay, medicine. Vitamins. You always drink this every morning, okay? Before you eat. That is the one. You remember the red and black one?
Yeah.
Oh, that is your vitamins, right?
But I don't know if they're even edible.
Okay, you drink that, ha? Okay, is this your ID?
Yeah.
Oh, you look like chipmunks. Ayan, so you still have 4 wishes, ha? You tell me if you're done wish or you think about it when you take a bath. Okay, go faster. It's 5:30. Bye. Tawagan na. Explainan ni Simon on. Itong dako nga mansion.
Sakay mo kabalabal.
Tapos ito mi. Ako ulit, Katong na ay sa mo explain. Dili dahil sa Sala Cafe, di ma-explain na natin, ha?
Ako, nagit na. Dito,
Kung nasa kayo may balabal ba, nagi may kasagingan.
Mo na siya ko.
Kuli, oh. Mapot yung gagyan Japon. Parehara man tayo, kuli. Sala Cafe ang pauli.
Pala.
Kapilay kayo. Eh, dito nyo makontrol yung tuhod.
Siya tanong din siya. Taga nga nag-post na tuhod di makontrol. Sa downhill pang na.
Oo ba? Biyag lang to ko ano, wala ko na ato. Yan na lang, wala na injury. Kay isubya kayo hakuton. Alasahon ko dyan sa porter. Ay, mahal sana gang.
Nga eh. Nagit na.
Yan guys, so grabe si Madam Baby guys. Hindi nakasama sa amin. Dahil nagkurog-kurog. Kasi guys, nag-akyat sila ng Lake Holon, yung pinakasikat na hiking lake dito sa South Cotabato. Yan yung Lake Holon ng Tiboli. Yan, ito ang picture. Insert. Ayan, so si Boss Jean parang wala lang guys kasi kahit sumama siya, ano siya, sanay kasi siya guys kung ano ang pressure sa tuhod ng mga trail. Eh si Madam Bibi first time niya yun. Tapos parang level 7 yan na yung Lake Holon na yun eh. Kaya nga sinasama nila ako, ayoko nang bumalik dahil ang sakit talaga sa tuhod guys. Especially yung mga downhill na yan, ay Diyos ko, ang bigat mo plus ang tukod mo pababa, ang tuhod mo ang kawawa. Kaya kung ano talaga kay guys, mag-trail, mindset. I-mindset nyo talaga na kaya nyo na matapos nyo talaga ang trail. Kasi iba talaga pag ready ang mind mo. Susunod lang yung katawan mo. Uyog-uyog na itong vlog ko. Dahil sa driving mo. Ayan guys. So today is Monday. My favorite day. Because everything will be tapokized today. My due dates and my to do because yesterday is a rest day and we need to work all day today to find the best day of Monday. Rider talaga si Boss Jean guys. Gaya niya ako guys. Mag-a day in my life pa siya sa SM guys. Yan ang abangan nyo. Ayan, kung makatawa kayo sa akin guys, lalo na pag ginaya niya ako, grabe. Walang pinagkaiba. Tingnan mo, nag-practice siya ng tawa niya. Ganyan guys. Alam mo, yung parody guys, talent talaga yan. Kasi kahit anong gaya mo, kung hindi mo magaya guys, hindi talaga yan mag-effect guys. Depende talaga yan sa tao na magdala ng pagka-parody mo. Kaya sa mga, kala nyo ba madaling mag-parody? I-try nyo. Mahirap talagang parody guys. It's a talent. It's like a profession. So time check. September 6. Ay, October 6 at birthday ngayon ng aking nag-iisang anak na panganay ko. Si Jerry Vea Ashley Capacity. Grabe guys. Binigyan ko siya ng 13 wants or 13 wish. Dahil ngayong araw ay teen-aged na siya. Teenage na siya pala. Teenager pala, hindi teen-aged. Teenager na siya guys. 13. It's the first year of her teen years. And that 10 years should be celebrated. And she requested me 13 things. But she ended at 9 because ginaisip niya pa yung 4. Kasi guys, sabi ko sa kanya, don't let me get hard on this anak. Because, you know, this is the day of your birthday and we need to get that 13 wants you like. Pero may isa akong sinabi sa kanya guys na cancel yung wish niya. Alamin nyo sa dulo. Ayan. So today time check is 6:30 ng umaga and we're going to the gym. Health is wealth. Wealth is first. So the wealth is first for you. Gusto mong yumaman, so unahin mo ang health mo. Kasi kung sira ang health mo, paano kaya yaman? Kung sira ang health mo, ubos pera mo. Dahil bayad ka sa doktor, bayad ka sa ospital, bayad ka sa mga gamot. Oh. Kaya guys, health is wealth. Ngayon ko lang yan naintindihan, mga 30 na ako. Ano ba talaga yung health is wealth na yan? Ay, loading talaga ako guys. Iniisip ko, paano kaya naging wealth ang health? Kaya pala. Kasi kung nagkasakit ka, ubos hanggang last centavo mo. Ayan guys, si Boss Jean lang kasama ko. Absent si Madam Baby. Sige lang guys, ipahinga muna natin ang katawan natin kung pagod talaga. Kung hindi kaya, magpahinga. Huwag susuko. Tara na! Dito tayo sa Tindera sa Africa. Ang ganito iyangan agad.
Pagpahinga.
Kung pagod, ano sa to?
Kung pagod, magpahinga.
Pahinga, huwag susuko.
Tindera sa Africa.
Tara na! Dito na kayo sa Tindera sa Africa na napuno na ng basher. Sis, inggit kami sa iyo sa SOM, marami kang basher. Ibig sabihin, sikat ka na talaga. Ibig sabihin, maraming gustong mag-down sa iyo. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na basta-basta. Hinahanapan ka nila ng mga mali-mali sa buhay mo. Bakit? Perfect ba yung mga basher na yan? Ha? Sabihin nyo naman kung perfect sila at ibigay na lang natin sa kanila ang followers mo. Guys, pag sikat ka na, ganyan yan. Tingnan mo yung mga artista, hindi maubusan ng basher yan. Pero, grabe, buhay pa rin sila hanggang ngayon. Dahil, it depends upon how you absorb the situation. Because only you can manage that situation and the expectation you're going to fillation in that kind of situation of the Basharayon. Guys, wala kayong makuha sa amin, guys. Magtigas naman yung liig nyo. Well-trained kami sa mga basher. Bago kami pumasok sa pag-vlogging, alam na namin yan na magiging public lahat ng buhay namin. Ano ngayon? Atay, wala talaga ka mong sa akin, guys. Mahirap mag-judge na, guys, kasi pag tinuro mo yung kamay mo, pag tinuro mo yung mali mo sa ibang tao, at pag siniraan mo yung ibang tao gamit yung kamay mo, tandaan mo, 3 ang balik sa'yo. Ito, tingnan mo, kaya ang ganyan ang kamay, Jen. Tingnan mo, yan ang kamay. Pag tumuro ka, 3 ang balik sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, 3 karma mo dahil nanira ka ng tao. Nanira ka ng tao, oh. 3 balik sa'yo, oh. Isa lang ang binaril mo, pero 3 ang babalik sa yung bala. Yan ang sabi ko, guys. Kaya kung magturo kayo, limahin nyo. Para walang magbalik sa iyo. Oh, straight ang kamay mo. Pero pag magturo ka, 3 balik sa iyo. Kaya guys, be kind to your words. Kasi hindi naman kilala yung tao. At saka kung may pagkakamali siya, panagutan niya yan sa taas. Huwag niyo na siyang i-bash. Sabihin niyo na lang, may pananagutan ka sa huling hantungan. Ayan guys. Ayan si Yega, guys. Actually si Yega, very strong, independent woman. Kaya maraming galit. Kasi bakit hindi nababagsak ang isang single mom na maraming anak, na maraming basher? Bakit? Anong sikreto? Anong ginagawa mo? Bakit? Kung may lalaki siya, anong big deal dun? Single naman siya. 3 years na siyang virgin. Hindi niyo pa pagbibigyan si Yega? Yan ang kasayahan ng isang babae na may lalaki siya. Tapos kayo galit kung may lalaki siya. Ano yung ano niya? Ano yung ano niya? Ano yung ay, mali. Good. Good yung ano tawag. Kaya guys, mag-exercise muna ako. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Kaya parang nagtaas yung BP ko.
Hi guys. Tonight we are going to get Casey for the start of the vlog. We are gonna go to a restaurant called Alfonso. Say hi, Boss Jin.
Hello.
So
I'm the bodyguard for today's video.
Yeah. And yours is the extra bodyguard. Basta lang kay si Boss Jin mag go home early, si yours lang.
Pauwi natin siya una.
Hindi. Like, for example lang, mag-uwi sa Sikad, siya mag-drive lang.
Wala gas.
Wala, walang ang gas.
Anong gagawin natin?
I have card.
Oh, yaman. Mayaman.
Ano,
What is the purpose of video your mom told you?
so this vlog today that my mom has assigned me to do is like I will be vlogging about this tonight, what I'm going to do, and because since my birthday was October 6, it's now my belated birthday, so we're gonna have to celebrate in a late time. Pero because in Monday this week, we will be going to Vietnam.
Wow.
Pero mag-iwan si Boss Jen at si Angela.
Tita
Tita?
Angela. But your mom, while taking the video, it's like that.
Oh, like
It's
this,
like-
ano?
Na landscape.
Okay. So I just learned the tip from Boss Jen. So when you vlog, it's better to do this one. So when I vlog, I mostly do this, but it's actually this one to actually vlog.
Then Ash, I have a question for you.
Like what?
This is your first dinner date night?
I mean, if I think of it, I don't think so because I used to go on dinner dates with my mom and my dad.
Oh, but with friends?
The first time.
Ooh.
First time?
Can I call friend or more than friends?
Best friend. Best friend,
Best
gani.
friend pala kayo, okay.
Gani. Di ba nagsabi ako?
Best friend pala, no, sorry.
And in Alfonso, I guess I should show details about that restaurant for those who are not familiarized about that restaurant. That restaurant, they have a very expensive taste, pero their food tastes very delicious. I tried their mac and cheese; it really tastes so good, and then I got full and I didn't finish half of it. So I finished half of it like days ago.
Alfonso is a restaurant.
Yeah.
I don't go there pa.
Oh, wala pa nang.
How about you?
I already did after my honors. Diba?
How about the food? Yummy?
Yeah, the food is yummy. I
Ah.
tried drinking their what they have there in their juice. I bought like
Tagalog ate, please. Try.
I don't know what's tea in Filipino.
What?
I don't tea.
Chaa.
Chaa?
The one that drink?
Chaa.
Chaa.
Ang mixed berry chaa.
Okay. The drinks.
Yeah. I don't know if I can speak Tagalog here.
A little bit lang. But at least you're trying.
I can do Bisaya, but I'm not feeling it right now. Because every time I go in places, I speak English, but in my house, I use Tagalog, but mostly Bisaya. Because
My order. How about my order? What's my order?
anything, but my mom said that we only have to order one each.
One each.
The food ba? Food.
Oh, ikaw one. I
One.
will order all the menu.
Magalit at magbagsak ang ang pera niya. Good. Is that good? What did I say?
Okay lang yan.
Bagsak? Yeah, like how do I say this? Parang nag-ubos na? Pag-ubos.
Mauubos yung pera ni mami.
I told Casey that it was supposed to be my mom and you, but all of a sudden my mom decides to not go because she was giving things to the people who survived throughout the what was that, earthquake or flood?
Flood.
The flood. Saan yan?
Maasim.
In the Maasin. But this time I'm with Boss Jen, but I never told him that he will come with his girlfriend.
Uy! Bao?
Ano ba? Nag-alam sila meron kang ano yan? Ano yan? Uyab. Yeah.
Friend ko man si yours.
Anong friend? ang pangalan sa Messenger?
Ano?
How does it say? It starts with I.
Biyag ko.
Biyag. Biyag ko.
It's Ilocano.
Oh, Ilocano
language. It means my life.
Sana all yours. Grabe ang katawa.
Like your mom.
Remember that video, guys? Do you remember that video where Bushrin tried to be my mom for one night or one day?
Last night.
Last night.
I became Madam 10 Gibbs.
Gabi, ang kitangan ni mo, oy!
So we're almost there. What do you think?
What do I think? Because, what do I actually, you mean like, going there?
Malapit na ba tayo?
Not,
I'm asking, we're almost there, Ash?
not close.
Not close. Okay.
Nagdugin mo kasi para magtagalog.
Kaya nga.
Oy!
So I challenge you to speak Tagalog for today's video.
I don't know how to speak Tagalog. Not that much. Because, you guys use Bisaya. So that's how I learned it quickly. Pero sa Tagalog, hindi paano magsalita.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang? Parang hindi paano magsalita sa Tagalog, pero sa Bisaya, okay lang.
Si Chris, alam ba ni Chris
Bisaya.
dinner?
Oh yeah. Me and Casey are getting good in Bisaya, pero sa Tagalog, hindi syempre.
Ash, dito ka mamaya. Tabi kayo.
Ha? Tabi?
Tabi kayo dito.
You want to be in the front? Mag-swap?
No.
Mag-swap tayo?
Yeah, kaya para tabi kayo. Alangan tabi kami.
You want... Ang mga aso.
Isa lang man, aso lang.
Gani, pero
Aso.
why did the dog go in front of the car?
Hindi siya, hungry yan siya.
Oh.
Hanap siya ng foods.
Do I end it here or do I keep talking about... Oh, wait, I remember nga, diba I have tutor. And my Bisaya got good. Sure, I understand some like ang mga common grammar, pero the very hard understanding of Bisaya, it's kind of hard. No, that was deep Tagalog, I think. Kasi in our Filipino time, there's I feel like that it was Tagalog kasi you know the story that is the turtle and the monkey?
Bakit? Matalino man ang matsing.
It's not matsing anymore. It's unggoy.
Nalapas tayo.
Bushrin forgot.
I forgot, guys. Sorry.
Oh, no.
I forgot to turn left. That's the...
Sayang ang gas. Are you
Walang
sure?
sayang gas.
Are you sure the gas will be okay?
Okay lang man. Mag-gas tayo mamaya.
Okay.
Tayo ka sa U-turn ay.
Tita, do you want to swap when we reach there? Wait, should I stop the vlog when Casey comes in here?
Okay lang, ikaw bahala dyan.
Bahala si Batman lang. Nag-alam si yours, ang joke yan.
Alam mo daw yun yours? Swap kayo ng chair?
Para tabi sa inyo. Yeah!
Okay. Tabi kayo. Saba diya.
Hi. So guys, in my previous vlogs, I wasn't at my best because I've been looking away from the camera, but I was trying to find a conversation because vloggers, good, they always have like ideas in their mind of what to say and what conversations they want to strike ba. Meanwhile with me, I barely know what to do in a conversation, like continue lang o magsabi lang, ang isa lang ang salita. Like the vloggers are very talented when it comes to vlogging, because if I remembered how my mom used to vlog before, she tried to like get tips from my tita so that she'll be good at it. Oh, we're here, guys. We're in Casey's neighborhood. I'm gonna end it here kasi mag-swap tayo si yours at ako. And then when we reach there, I'm gonna start vlogging.
You say see you later.
See you later! Anong vlogadig? So, we're in Afonso and we already arrived. So, me and Casey are in a separate table and my tito with her girlfriend is also on another table. We're basically far away, but not that far away. We ordered mac and cheese and I suggested him to like Casey, I suggested him to like buy another one if he wanted to, but he said it's fine to like he said that it was fine to just order one. So yeah, that's it. I mean, It. I have to be honest. I don't think I might vlog here, but maybe on my way home I could. So yeah.
Me in the vlog.
You want to be in the vlog?
Yeah.
Yeah. After we were done eating, we finally went home. I had a really good time with Casey, and yeah, we pretty much had a nice night out. But I might do it again sometime, maybe in his birthday, but I don't think so. Maybe I'll have to ask my mom about it. Well, now we're going home, and even Boston had fun with his girlfriend too. That's about it. Like, we just had a fun night, that's all. It's just a simple vlog, like any other simple vlog can be. I mean, not every single of them.
Tagalog, please.
No, I don't want to try Tagalog this time. I'm so tired. I mean, I basically know that the viewers are Filipino, but they're good in English, right? Yeah. Mag-translate lang. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here because we just had a nice night and we're just going back home because we already had Grace. I mean, like, a drop Grace to his house. Yeah, that's about it. So have a good night, or maybe a good morning. Bye bye.
Ashley. Oh. Ashley. Oh, hi.
Okay. You guys are preparing for Vietnam?
Not yet. Naman.
It's at night or in the morning?
And tomorrow pa yun. Okay, let me see.
You not sleep? Why you not sleep? Oh no, you not sleep. Wait lang.
Okay. Hi guys, bago dumating si Ashley, nag-dinner date sila ng ano niya, ng crush niya. Kinikilig naman tayo guys, pero kasama nila si Boss Chin para may parental guidance. So, may regalo to siya natanggap after nilang kumain. Ashley, come on! Ashley, come on na. Let's see. Faster. Let's see.
So, hi guys. I came back from Alfonso's and I got a gift from Casey.
Wow, what's that?
Yeah.
Oh, for A from K.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Wow.
It's not much, but I already like it.
Yeah, it's okay.
So I
Wow.
have a little
It's a Kurumi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I also have a.
And there's a hair clip. Wow. How sweet ni Grace. How about this?
Bracelet.
A bracelet.
Yeah,
eh?
and this is a necklace.
Wow.
Wow.
So nice. What else?
I have a ring.
Wow.
You made it for me.
Oh, customized ring.
And this one.
With a heart.
Oh, what? And the parts from Kuromi that fell when I retouched them. What am I
Oops. What is this? It's a diary book.
No, it's a sketchbook, but really small.
Happy 13th birthday.
Yeah!
What is that?
Yeah, happy 13th birthday.
There's a flip. What that? Can you read out loud?
Okay. Dear Ashley Capacity. He used my full name. I am happy that you became 13 this time, and I wish you a very happy birthday. I can't believe you're 13. come so far in life, and I want to say I'm proud of you. Ah, that's it.
Wow, let me see.
Nina,
Let me see muna.
there's a cute drawing, but it's supposed to
Okay.
be personal for us.
Thank you, ate.
That's it. That's actually it, though.
Yeah, we will put it back. Because it's your... How about this? Where you wear this?
It's another ring. I don't know where you get it, but it actually kind of fits.
It fits it? It don't fall?
No, it doesn't fall.
Oh, be? Ay, it's on here. Oops, here. Wow.
It always fits here.
Be careful when you use it. Oh.
But
Okay. Are you fixed na? Thank you, ate. What else is here? Okay na.
yeah,
Okay. You wash na.
bye
Did you like your dinner?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, and even Boston with his girlfriend.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Good night, Duy Duy ko.